In this video, I'm gonna guide you through the process of hiding your Instagram chat without deleting it. So let's get started. First off, open your Instagram app on your phone. Then go to the top right corner and click on your messages. Then you're gonna go ahead and select the chat you wanna hide. For this instance, it's gonna be this one. Then you have to go to the top and click on the name. So once you're in this menu, you're gonna click on privacy and safety. Then once you're here, you're gonna click on restrict. And then again on restrict. And right now, if you go back to your messages, you will see that the chat we just selected is hidden. So if you wanna access this chat, you're gonna go to requests. And here you'll find the chat we've just hidden. And if you wanna unrestrict it, you just go to the bottom right, click on unrestrict and accept. And now the account is unrestricted and unhidden again. So that's how you hide your Instagram chat without deleting it. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.